Hello guys, this is Saurav. In this course, we will learn about MIT App Inventor. What is MIT App Inventor? To create a fully functional app in MIT App Inventor. So in this video, I will explain you the database, Firebase, components, layout, and all that things. So let's start that course. So what is MIT App Inventor? So MIT App Inventor is a platform where anyone can create Android apps. Okay, it's really difficult to create Android app using MIT App Inventor. So not at all. Actually, it's a really very basic thing. You just need to do drag and drop things and nothing at all. So we just need to do some things like we just need to drag and drop one button here, and just whenever someone click on that, so we just need to do some actions. If you know how we can use laptop, so it's really easy to create Android app also. Okay, so this is not just for our children, this is not just for adults, this App Inventor platform for all of you. So there are a lot of questions, like, can we earn money using this platform? So the answer is yes, you can earn money using App Inventor. This course I will tell you how we can earn money using MIT App Inventor app. Okay, MIT App Inventor is a totally open source platform. It means you don't need to pay any amount to anyone. You can create your own app totally free of cost, and still you can earn money. Okay, this platform is basically for block coding. It means whenever someone want to learn coding, whenever someone want to create quick apps, okay, so they can use MIT App Inventor platform. So now let's start that course. Okay, so first we need to open the website is appinventor.mit.edu and just open that website. Okay, now in the left top corner you will find the option of create apps. Okay, now just click on create apps and wait some second. This will open ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. You have to log in using your Google account. Okay, if you are not logged in. Now I have logged in. Now we need to click on, in the left side you will find the option of start new project. So click on this, and my project name, what is project name? Project name is our app name. So suppose that's my first app, so I will say first app ever, and then click on OK. That's my app name. Make sure don't make a space here between names, and just click on OK and wait some second to load your first app screen. So that's our Android app. So now I will just create one simple app. It's a Hello World app. So what I will do, in the left side you will find a lot of components. See, is a user interface. Under user interface you will find the button, checkbox, date picker, image, label, list picker, list view, everything I will explain you one by one. Now what I will do, I will use your label. So in the left side you will find the label option. See this one. Just what you need to do, just click on that label or drag that label like this and drop this here. Is here label. In the right side you will find the properties of any component. Okay, like click on that label, and in the right side you will find the properties option like this here. Now we just need to change the text. As you can see here, text is text for label. See, so I will just say here hello world like this. Okay, now you can define that font size of text. So as you can see, font size is 14, so I will make it 40, and as you can see, background color is none. Okay, font italic, let me just check that. Click on that screen, and in the right side you will find the properties of screen. Okay, so what I will do, as you can see here, align horizontal, so click on to the center, align vertical to click on center, and that's our Hello World app. Okay, now we just need to build that app, and that's it. So it's really easy to create app using MIT App Inventor. Yeah, I know it's really basic thing, it's nothing, but if you don't know anything about creating the Android app, so it will be great for you to create a Hello World program. At least you should start with first step, right? So that's the amazing thing. You don't need to do any code here. See, I haven't done any code here. I just open the website, okay, their platform, and drag and drop just label here, and that's it. Okay, so that's the overall app. If you want to build the APK file of this, so how we can do this? It's very simple. As you can see in the build option, and click on Android app APK. So just click on this. We need to wait some seconds. This will generate the QR code or one button to download the APK file. Download APK file. So just click on this to download APK. If you have a scanner, any scanner app, so you can scan that code to download the APK file in your mobile phone. So click on so in folder. As you can see, that's the APK file. So once you install this APK in your phone, so you will see that screen, and that one is hello world. Okay, so in the upcoming tutorials we will learn how we can use blocks. Okay, as you can see, there is the block option. So how we can use blocks to do coding for this, to perform some actions. Okay, how we can use button, how we can use image, how we can use all the components. Okay, so we will learn everything about MIT App Inventor. So please keep watching this series. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and if you have any suggestion, just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.